We're responsible for sortie generation. We're responsible for maintaining and inspecting, repairing, troubleshooting the B-52 and keeping it in tip-top fighting shape. Our job is one of the cornerstone AFSCs for the B-52. Most people would look at a B-52 and see an aircraft or an airplane. The way the Air Force looks at the B-52 is it's a weapons delivery system. So we are responsible for loading and maintaining the weapons systems on the B-52. So any of the bombs that you see go up, any of the missiles, whether it be conventional or nuclear, we are responsible for making sure that they are installed on the aircraft in a safe and reliable manner. The hours are variable. The big picture is we are 24-hour ops up to 7 days a week. The mission doesn't stop, so we have to be there to provide those capabilities for our aircrew and for our nation's needs. In the 2W1 community, we are teamwork. It's part of how we're built. It's built into how our crews are formed. We work in teams of 4 with a load crew chief and load crew members. And so each member is trained in position. And so our whole career field is based off of standardized, precise maneuvers in the teamwork frame. The best thing is just watching all the teamwork that happens. Like I said before, we do a lot of phenomenal work every day. If you think about it, we have folks that range everywhere from 18 to in their 30s who are responsible for multi-million-dollar aircraft that are older than some of their grandparents. And the B-52 is still one of the most lethal platforms that the Air Force uses, and it's not going to stop, and we make that happen.